like my makeup? Guys, I did put on a mask. I didn't have an N95, and so I used my regular out and about mask, which looks decent, but look at the inside. Those are my nostril holes. So if it blocked that much paint from getting inside my nose, I am happy to wear them every time I paint. I'm sure smaller particles got through though. Okay, so I've been getting a bunch of questions about my paint sprayer. This is actually not mine, it's my sister's, but I have the same one. This is the Home Right Finish Mats paint sprayer. It does not have it doesn't have a compressor or anything. Nice and portable, I like it. It does come with one of these. This is a viscosity cup that helps you know how much you need to thin out your paint. It does require you to thin out most paints. Some paints are thin enough that they don't need it. Basically, you dip this in, and once your paint is thin enough to run out of here within 25 to 45 seconds, I think is the window, then you're good to put it in your sprayer. If not, if you use it and it's too thick, then it will just splatter onto your wall and it won't go into a nice thin layer. Stain does not need to be thinned out. It's thin enough already that you can just put stain right in it. If you're using an oil-based paint, then you need to use paint thinner to thin it out. This is just latex paint, so I'm just mixing it with water, and that's how I thin it. Okay guys, I am done painting, and it is so good. I'm not going to show you the whole thing just yet. Wait for my post. My next post will be the full reveal. But I did just finish my touch-ups. I painted my shelves so I can install those. I have to run to Home Depot right now to build my other shelf, and then once I get that painted and installed, then I can put the epoxy on, and it's gonna be so good. Also, you guys, I am putting the epoxy on this, but just keep in mind that I am going to be giving my epoxy a matte finish. So it's not going to be the shiny wood that you're imagining if there's epoxy on it. It's going to have a matte finish.